Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm very super excited to have every one of you coming again and again watching this content. I was super excited last week when I got to know that the video I posted on regarding technical analysis, how to analyze the market, got up to 100 views on YouTube. That was my first video that literally got into 100 views, and I'm super excited. And I believe it impacted people tremendously. So today, it was just the fundamental of technical analysis I shared. So today I want to us go into charts and maybe let's see if we can analyze maybe one or maybe two pairs. Maybe one or two pairs, and let's see how we could implement what I taught. So if you've not watched that video, please kindly ensure you go back and see and watch that video. All right, so this is a chart, and one thing I usually always like to do is I like to use the pair that I love trading, and that is gold. I know many people think that gold is very risky, but regardless of what they think, everything is risky. Every pair is risky. Just that you must understand risk management, because risk management, at the end of the day, if you've been trading for a while, you know that that's what this thing is about, the risk management, right? So this is your trading view. And sometimes when people who are new, especially when I started, we just get confused. We just see people, they don't know where to buy from, they don't know where to sell from, they don't even know where to put their stop loss. And most times they either get into a trade from a middle of nowhere. All these charts you see is telling you a story. It contains in it a very, very, very vital information that you need to be aware with. So first thing you come to the chart, I'd always like to come to the daily time frame. What am I looking at the daily time frame? I'm looking to be able to know the trend. First of all, every pair, when you begin your analysis, your chart, you want to know the overall direction, because it tells you that majority of the people, permit me to use the word, the big guys, they are trading towards that direction, and you don't want to be opposite where the others are going, because at the end of the day, it gets to chase you. Then after I've done that, you see that gold here, for the longest time, it has been on a uptrend from here. You can see from here. Sorry. So it's just been on an uptrend. It's been going up like literally. So the next thing you want to do is to come to the 4 hour, because I'm a day trader, right? So this day tells me, as a day trader, you are just targeting the moves that are literally happening in the market, right? The moves that are happening in the market. So now what tells you that on the day time frame, we've been on an uptrend, but see, we've been selling, right? Even though market did take up this low, right? The market is trying to see if it can break it. So the next thing I want to do is to mark out key zones. Key zones are price levels after you determine the trend uptrend. But now currently you've seen this candle. This is on a daily time frame. It means that for the past Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday, this market sold. So now what you want to do is to look for key areas and zones to be able to identify and mark out. Here, there's a zone here. You see that here, price got here, rejected. It got here, it rejected. And now it tested here before it went up, right? So you want to mark potential zones where price level will come from on the higher time frame, so that you be keep an eye on those zones. So here is the potential zone. This down, right? See, markets has been testing it, and all of those things. So now what I'm expecting is that price should come here, down here, before I look for the buy. So I expect that at least price should be able to push down here. You see, those key zones just makes me, you see, it's a clear downtrend. So what I'm looking for now is for sell. So the only thing I will sell this market is once price breaks below this zone, I will enter here, put my stop loss above. So let's see it on the 4 hour time frame. So you see, the 4 hour time frame. So we're expecting that price should come here. So the only time we are sure about that is until price breaks this level. Because one thing that have saved me in my journey is always sticking to key levels, and my entry are usually at those levels, those key levels. So I don't enter in the middle of nowhere. I like to enter from key areas. Like here's a key area. Here is my take profit zone. So let's see it on the 15-minute time frame. All right, so this is it. Um, so it's very simple. Higher time frame, mark out key zone. So what I'm looking at for here is today I'm recording this video on a Sunday. So by Monday, if I want to take a trade, this is what I'm expecting. That price breaks here, and I put my take profit here. So let's see. So this is what I'm expecting. Target times 3, because this gold, you want to this times 4, 1 to 4 risk to reward. So this is it. So it means that, you see, I've entered this trade now, and this is my stop loss, right? And this is my take profit. So it's telling me that if this trade goes to my favor, I'm making like almost 4 and 3 of 3.8. That's almost 4 times what our stop loss is. So it means if you are risking $100, at least you're making 380 thereabout, right? So it's very simple. So if market comes here, I would enter immediately, but I'll wait for the candle for a confirmation candle to close below it well before I get to enter this trade. Because sometimes what most people do again is, because I've put my entry here, what if it comes here and this thing happened and it reversed and it hits your stop loss? So you want to wait for the full body candle to close below it before you are sure. So if a full body candle does not close beyond it, then I know I'm wrong. And it's very okay to be wrong, right? Then I look for another setup. So that's how it works. Let's repeat what I just taught you now on the GBP USD. So first of all, I told you come to the daily time frame. So what are we seeing on the daily time frame? That market was previously on an uptrend from here up to this level. Then it broke this zone. So market has been on a downtrend, right? So the next thing I want to do is look for kill. So that means market has been on trend. Well, now currently market is selling. So we want to stick to the trend. In our buyers now is to stick to the trend. So we want to look for key zones and mark out. So one of the key zones is going to be this level. See, market get here tested here. This zone market tested, and look for another key zone. Here will be a key zone, I guess. So here's the key zone. Remember, the day trader, you just want to make money every day. You are not swinging. Like you're targeting 100, 200 pips in a day. So now this is it. So let's come to the 4-hour time frame. So I'm expecting that those key zones are key zones, for those of you who don't know, where market has tested multiple times. So you see, what I'm looking at now is market should be able to take off this low. So at any point in time, if market gets to break this level, then I'll go for my entry. So look at my what I'm expecting to happen. So now, because we are looking for the sell, this is what we're expecting to do. Market never moves in a straight line. So this is what I'm expecting to do. The price comes here, our stop loss will just be a little bit above here. So if it goes, this what we expect, at least we're making times 2, times 3 of what we are risking. See it here. So that's this way. If you just keep doing like this, at least have like two pairs. You do analysis, and at least if one does not happen that way, the second one might. But now the holy grail is your stop loss, right? Because at the end of the day, it can still come here and reject. But the thing is, once you make sure that your entry is on a key zone level, right? So or this key zone level, and you're sticking to the trend, likely that most of the time you'll always be right than you are wrong. And so that's what has helped me make so much money. And let me recap on what I said: the fundamental principle of technical analysis that has made me profitable is always sticking to the trend, the overall direction. At least I know from the daily time frame. Secondly is knowing that market does not move in a straight line, it moves in a wave. So what it means is that even though it's going down, it will not just go down arbitrarily. It would create higher high, lower low, higher high, higher low, lower, lower low, like that. Higher if it's up, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, like that. So you see it zigzag. So that way, even though you want to enter, then that leads me to the third point. The market will always create support and resistance zone. So you want to be either buying from support if it's buy to the next support zone upward. If it's sell, buying from the support to the next support zone downward. So that way, you'll ensure that you'll be profitable. At least in a day, you can take at least 2 trades with good risk management, know how much you're willing to risk. That way, over time, you get to be very consistent. So for those of you who are here who would like to learn more, I'm super excited. I share my trades for free on my Telegram community. Please do well to click the link on the link on the description box to be able to get to be part of my community, and you can get to see follow all my trades and my signal every week for free, and you get to learn more from me, when I do have live session and boot camps as well. Please do well to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I get to post new content every week, you get to get notified. Thank you so much, and see you next week.